Hello everybody, my name is Tristan Moore. I am the program coordinator for the CARE program here at Heartspring. And today we are going to be making a holiday craft. We're gonna be making these little snowflake. They can be ornaments, they can be garland. You can be as creative as you want with them. So we're gonna make these guys. And all you need are some pipe cleaners, some assorted beads. I have all different colors here, and I have clear if we want just a regular snowflake. So you can make these big or you can make them smaller like I did. I'm gonna make them smaller. So we're gonna cut these in half. And I'm just gonna use 2 pipe cleaners to make 4. And then you'll take one and wrap it around the other one. And do that with all of them. One more, wrapping around. And you can move them however you want. And if you're doing this with little ones, I like to turn the edges in because they get pretty pokey. So you just bend and fold them down all around. And then you're good to start putting your beads on. So I'm gonna do some pink and blue maybe. You just slide on the beads. It's easier to do one stem at a time rather than all of them at the same time. And this is super great for fine motor skills. Trying to get all these beads on one stem. And then once you get about here, we're gonna fold it in again around that top bead so they don't fall off, because we don't want that. We're gonna do some blue. This might take a little bit, and that might be good. Fold it down. Let's do some yellow. And the cool thing about this too is you can make not only a snowflake, but you can make a star. You can put all yellow around it and make a star. You can do traditional colors like red and green, or you can make it whatever you want. Be as creative as you want. And if your little ones have a short attention span, it might be better to do the smaller snowflakes rather than using the whole pipe cleaner. It might be good to have a tray under this too. I'm like dropping lots of them to avoid a messy pickup later. All right, and then you bend your last one and you are good to go. You finished, and you can tie an ornament hanger around this and put it on the tree. You can just put it on the tree like this. You can make garland out of it. You can be as creative as you want, but there you go, your little snowflakes.